This is the Ski Pass project by Scotty Vara, Roy McNaughton, and Bennett Diani. The purpose of this project is to figure out which pass to choose between the daily pass, the seasonal pass, and the flex pass. The graph below is very helpful because if you're going to be comparing the daily pass to the flex pass on which day to ski and which would be the cheapest, I would ski the daily pass up until the 5th day because it's $475, but the 6th day is $570 and the flex is $545. And then I would ski the flex pass until the 12th day, which is $815 compared to $842, but then the 6th day it's $860, which is more expensive than $842. Therefore, I would ski the seasonal pass all the way down until the end of the season. The daily pass equation is y equals 95x. So what you would do is if you're going to be skiing for multiple days, you would multiply 95 times the number of days. The flex pass equation is y equals 45x plus $275. So you would multiply 45 times the number of days and then add $275. And the annual season pass is y equals $842 for the entire season. If you were going to ski for 5 days or less, I would choose the daily pass because it would be the cheapest. However, if you were going to ski 12 days or less, I would choose the flex pass because that is less than the seasonal pass. But if you were going to ski for 12 days up until the end of the season, I would choose the seasonal pass because it is the cheapest up all the way until the end of the season. Solving by substitution is also a great way to figure out which pass to choose. And first off, I compared the flex pass to the daily pass to get 45x plus 275 equals 95x. Then I subtracted 45x from both sides to cancel out 45x on the left side. Then I dropped down the equal sign to get 275 equals 50x. Then if you divide 50 on both sides, x would end up equaling 5.5. And then if you were to plug in 5.5 back into the equation and then get an ordered pair, x would be 5.5 and y would be 5.225. Then I compared flex to seasonal to see which one would be better, and the equation would be 45x plus 275 equals 842. 45x equals 567 would drop down, and then I'd divide 45 on both sides to get x equals 12.6. After that, if I added in 12.6, I would get in the equation, I would get x, and put in an order pair, I would get x is 12.6, and y is 842. After looking at all 3 examples, I realized that they all show the same things, and they compare the flex to daily and the flex to seasonal. So personally, if I were to choose one and find out which one is the easiest to figure out that shows the information, I would look at the graph or the table because it shows perfectly which ones to choose on a certain amount of days, because as you can see, 5 days is $475 for daily, but for flex it'd be $545 for the 6th day, which is cheaper than $570, and then for the seasonal it'd be $842 the entire time compared to $860 on the 13th day. Therefore, if you're an avid skier and ski from 13 days to 25 days, I would choose the seasonal pass. And I am a very avid skier, so personally I would choose the seasonal pass because I think I would ski from in between 13 to 25 days.